Ka ICDC Project Amlarem West Giant Hills District rengkat ke jinga terelang kita nak terekam sorkar berper bakentup naduk ketenak jong ka Koit ke Khiah ke puli puthi bat giwei hene kesingi kala Pynkut no e ka Poshan Maah ne ke jing ai jing hikai bashi Bnai lenter ka bede halor kumno ban penmlin ki jingmlin babhatam ki bede bat ka Koit ke Khiah shikipat nong shong shnong ka Amlarem block. Yakni ke Poshan Maah lasdang naduk ke shitarik haduk ka laipau terik mentau benai badia ka jingelang Pynkut la pelong ha hall ka sim jingsuk Amlarem bala danlang Dr. A Saini IES SDO Amlarem Civil Subdivision ke Mukongsan ka ar pasa Assistant Commissioner for Person with Disability of Social Welfare Department ke Khuborjylla kum ke Sembut Kongsan GLC Melim BDO ke Amlarem sin adi block ki wahai achnong ki officer ne kita nak terekam berper bat ki wei.
Sejak ini, yakni ke 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maah, tak kawi kut roki tak ke empowerment of women through nutrition. Empowerment of women through nutrition. Imut berkata, ke sarkar ke percangga, kat olah ya Khubor ya kan manbai. Ngasrai tikin juk siapa pi kamtam ki self improve. No? Empowerment of women. Tak he. Kena ketin empowerment of women. Man ka kawi ka tin ko em kam hai in sang thoi an betul ke nutrition man the plug no ikar wa ka empowerment of women through nutrition ka sang thoi wala da ka man be mem man go wa check ko kia mem man go ko biang iti pam iti betai ka met mie ko ka chakram mie ko pendet iti kamram go ro na do na yuk hadu halai to he ni pha da em ka spa phao le là memang kemet tempat gua cek kokia ini udah ini lah. Kamu udah ini kata kemet cek kokia yoi tak lembaga nutrition nak abang kibam le kiba tay kemet ngat pun dia dia tak abang umar pasang tu ada kelam ada tay beniau di hak abang gua fokus kacak le gua nusnel Rashtriya Poshan Maah da fokus bahaka kawi tak haka kawi tak anemia prevention. Ngayu da bon hai program balik ni hai tak waka anemia prevention. Dah te em kan hai sang ko iwa ka anemia mangga kawi ka life threatening ka ye u penduk ya kita sil yu em kan ha le tak ki mandai ki kena le tak ki kerak kelut le. Equal only piwa good food is never expensive. Kabang ko ham tak masat. Both same ijo lai ijo feel. Jo only yeki bro bam hagi. Ma mana only bam ha. Memang buat tak bam pelai bam lekha bam dok bam ke ijo makas ni. No. But haptiki mungkin kita ki good food. Kiwa biang kita ki nutritive values. Well kenai pi ko em cakap tentang macam pi biang ha pi kita ki tung cakap. If chances are nyo iki nutritional food, no? Lari yo ila ke ini yang tip de iba you ada dai you ada klek dawai, no? The pi ku dah empower you dah ye utung. Siapa bang and good food is again orang biang pi untuk was at it is not expensive. Was at pakan dah tinggal di bawah di junk food se. Was at pakan go di bawah junk restoran. Tak he. Ketua saat dah cek pi hayung dijual tu yo pi nak per. Kat man ke botai ke met hejo ipor memang ke kuat sadar ma der ko aron ko point ko kwa mention ini wo ongi effective service delivery through good governance ma effective service delivery mo kajin e service yang e chaki chnom ki thau through good governance phần lai cái scheme cái chính phần quan cái scheme mà nó lắm ít biếng như cái governance lên đây cái government tôi ông ấy vào cái tay của trong cái Shillong lên đây cái tay của trong cái chukki no what rồi we are a part of the government even rồi em mình ta is the government tấm tôi ông ấy cái sọt cả cái tin chữ use phải đó đó hi cái sọt cả mấy mặt thật cái sọt cảอยู่bên cái sọt cả mấy một cụ lọc cái đó hi but finallyพี่ได้กับสอดกันต่อเงาพี่เนาะแล้วได้ก็สอดกันสวยเบี้ยแล้วได้เกรสแค่ได้มันเสียบุคคลก็สอดกันตามยุ่งอีกแล้วยี่ก็ชิปอดตั้งว่าดับปอย
Yeah, it is going to be very important and vital in ensuring a very good health, growth and nutrition for the children of Meghalaya. Especially I have seen that the meals that are already given, as I was discussing with the CDPO, they are not really tasty and are not liked by the children or the beneficiaries. So it is very important, as our principal secretary sir has also decided to do some local level inclusion of locally made meals, which are not just nutritious but delicious also. So that will go a long way in ensuring nutritional security for the children. And including diets which are rich in iron, protein, and they are locally available, so much easier to procure and reduction in the transport cost also. So I am hoping when this menu has been curated, we will be able to include some of the items in the diet of the Anganwadis. And already as a result of this Poshan Maah, we have seen the result that we have been able to improve the health of certain children. I would like to commend even the medical officers also who have been coordinating with the Anganwadis and with the CDPO as well as the block team with the sector meetings where they have identified these and SAM children or women who are in need of looking after the care for the anemia, because we do have a very high rate of anemia, especially among the pregnant and lactating mothers. So with this concerted effort and this intersectoral efforts from the various departments, I am sure that in future in Amlarem we will be able to ensure the anemia mukt Bharat also, starting with Amlarem, we will achieve very good results. So again, I would like to thank CDPO and the Icds project Amlarem team for calling me today. It was a really good experience for me to see all the activities they have done, and I hope the momentum is continued in the future and doesn't just stop with the Poshan Maah. And again, to all the Anganwadi workers and supervisors who are present, it is because of you that we are able to achieve the ground level results. Please keep the momentum going. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you so much. Khubor.